While the Constitution is explicit on the role of the two arms of government, Parliament and the Judiciary, the two institutions are engaged in a bitter supremacy row, with the two accusing each other of allegedly duplicating roles.
We don't interfere with the Judiciary and we respect court orders, but where they want to gang us, where they want to control our debates, our calendar and our agenda, we will not allow it.
Hours after the High Court granted orders restraining the Senate from summoning governors to appear before the House committees, the High Court in Embu declared the impeachment of Embu Governor Martin Wambora null and void. Parliament has now threatened to have judges employed after 2010 voted in what is seen as an answer by the House to the latest directives by the Judiciary.
We have the opportunity to bring motions to discuss individual judges who we feel are still working with the same corrupt judicial service commissioners.
Currently, the new judges that have been appointed is a big problem. These are people who have never been a magistrate. These are people who have never been practicing in actual sense. Most of them have been in corporate as company secretaries, but they were appointed in the judiciary. When you tell that person to make a judgment, he doesn't know where to start. That's why they make a judgment, and you wonder even a layman person would have made a better judgment than what they are doing. So we need some reform in judiciary.
Leaders from the two houses of Parliament maintain that governors must honor summons by the Senate Finance Committee to respond to concerns on how they manage county funds.
Some are hiding under the court order argument, yet their defiance started even when there was no court order. So we are going to request the necessary organs of Senate to go to the next level and prepare committal documents for the prosecution of those governors who have breached the law.
We find that the Controller and Auditor General has found you culpable in some manner, and you don't even come to explain to a house that oversights you. We will pass on the files to the DPP, and I'm sure he has no shortage of time or personnel to carry out prosecutions.
The MPs say the court erred by reinstating Wambora as governor of Embu, defending the Senate and the County Assembly for impeaching him after he was found guilty of mismanaging county funds.
The due process of law was followed for that of Martin Wambora. What we are seeing is the judiciary has become the protector of the graft in our country.
22 governors have already signed a letter sent to the Senate saying they will not appear before the Finance Committee until the court gives an interpretation of the Constitution on whether the House has